Erase the weakness from your mind, that foolish thought. I wasted 2025. The year is not over. For the strong, it has not even truly begun. Now I want you to do one thing. Forgive this person. Yes, the one you are seeing on the black screen. Yes, yourself. Forgive yourself. Accept all of your failures, your situation, your past. Forgive all the mistakes you have made. Forgive yourself for all the time you wasted procrastinating. Because you might have wasted this year, 2025, but there's still one last chance. Winter Arc. The only season in which you can either dominate and transform your life completely, or you are going to dive deeper into weakness. Listen closely. Winter Arc, it's not merely a season. It is resurrection, because you still have a chance left in the whole year to actually improve your life. Because if you wait for the New Year resolution, then you know how fast 6 months are gone like a snap. 2025 has only a few months left. Winter Arc is your last chance to change all the mistakes you have done this year. So either you will become unrecognizable this winter, or you'll enter 2026 as the same fragile version of yourself. The decision will be written by your own actions. We will go over 5 points in this video that no one on this platform will tell you, which will guarantee your life will be transformed beyond what you can imagine. Also, I'm uploading this video very late. Well, I've been working on this for a long time, and I also had few health issues. Before we get in, there are a few things you should remember. To follow this winter arc, there's one rule. It's all in or out discipline. This challenge is not for the mediocre. If you actually have a masculine urge to change your life, which you must have, then you can start this. You must be fully disciplined. If you miss even one day, you are out of this game. 99% of competition will be wiped out by this rule. Second thing, erase the weakness from your mind. That foolish thought. I wasted 2025. The year is not over. These final months, this is your last chance. And true victory is always seized in the final moment. This is that moment. You will push yourself beyond any limit you have ever known. You will do what demands a completely different version of you. Point number 1. Why winter? Why Winter Arc is different, and why is this season so powerful for transformation? Because it's the ultimate proving ground. Nature itself supports you. You see, winter has a purpose. It kills the weak. It tests the strong. Nature itself uses winter to decide what survives. The world falls silent, the nights are long, the days are short. This is not a bad thing, that's a gift. You might have seen some anime characters who disappear in winter, train brutally, and come back as the best version of themselves. You will work on yourself while others are watching Netflix under a blanket. You will do this in freezing cold to build mental toughness. And when the new year starts, everyone will begin their resolutions, but you'll have already done a year's worth of work in just 3 months. That's the power of Winter Arc. There are a few benefits of winter. It enhances sleep quality. When we try to sleep, the body's core temperature naturally drops, a process that can take up to 2 hours in summer, but is much faster in winter. Recovery also increases, which is literally the best thing for people who work out, and there are still many benefits. But you get the point. Think about it. All of your friends are sleeping in their beds, partying in their home, and enjoying while you are grinding. In just 3 months, you'll make a massive comeback that nobody thought you were capable of. Point number 2. Disappear and find the meaning of your life. Lock in. Cut the noise, friends. Parties, games, scrolling, gone. Don't misunderstand this. It's not loneliness. You are in solitude, and solitude is literally magic. I can't explain it. You have to experience it yourself. Just you and you. Once you're alone, sit in front of a mirror and just sit. Look yourself in the eyes. Let the inner you do the talking. You have to self-reflect on your life. Ask yourself, who am I? What mistakes have I done? Where do I want to be in life? Whether it's making money, building a physique, or improving your life completely. But remember, this will only happen in solitude, and you have to sit for hours, literally hours. Nobody will tell you this, so once you've watched this video, try it out. For now, write it on paper or in your phone's notes app. By this time, you must have some answers. Maybe not all, but at least something to chase, a purpose. That's the power of solitude. You get to know yourself. If you haven't found your purpose yet, give it time. Talk to your family. Take a walk in nature. View your life as a third person. See what's happening in your family and life. Because as a man, you have a duty to provide. Life is just meaningless without a purpose. Point number 3. Forget your past and set up a schedule. People complain, my life is going worse, there are too many problems, I'm depressed, I don't know what to do, and all that stuff. But what do they actually do? They wake up with no purpose, scroll, and waste time and expect life to be happy. Wake up to reality. Things like depression don't exist if you are doing push-ups. You become what you do, not what you think. First, set a goal, which we already discussed in point 2, and now give everything to it. Set up a schedule before sleeping, so you can directly get the work done as soon as you get out of your bed. Wake up early, doesn't matter if it's 5 a.m. or 7 a.m. As soon as you wake, drink a liter of water. Before grabbing your phone, set 3 priorities. First priority, physical workout, gym or home workout for at least an hour. Second priority, learn a high-income skill, video editing, AI tools, copywriting, social media, freelancing, anything. Work on it for 4 to 5 hours. Third priority, eat the real food. Cut out as much junk food as possible. I am not saying don't eat any, but eat more nutritious foods. Listen, the food you eat will give you energy throughout your days. You have to follow a ratio. Your 80% nutrition should come from natural foods. Eat high protein and fiber foods, and the rest, 20% food, could be any junk food. Mostly avoid it, but you can eat at end of your day as a reward. And now just do the work. You will wake up one day, you will feel this way. You will wake up another day, you will feel another way. Another will not help you. Keep your feelings aside and just do what I've written on that paper. One more important thing, distractions. You are gonna cut out all the distractions. And also, clear your social media feed. Stop following garbage. Follow those who inspire and push you. You can also join this channel where I post daily motivational content. Point number 4. The lessons of cold. Winter pulls people apart. No parties, no endless gatherings, no noise. And most fear this. They fear being alone. But only in solitude you can hear your own mind. Only in solitude you can find your true path. Winter isolates you not to punish, but to strengthen. In winter, motivation fades. Even getting out of the blanket feels hard. Your mind craves comfort. It feels cozy. But if you do the opposite, you build discipline. Winter teaches you this truth. Feelings are irrelevant. Only discipline decides your future. Your biggest enemy will be you. You must fight yourself. The winter arc is not about the calendar. It's about the chapter of your life where everything is against you. No support, no comfort, no warmth. Just cold reality. During this arc, you'll lose friends, you will be mocked, and you will question yourself. But that's the point. The winter arc exists to burn away weakness, so only strength remains. Every day in winter arc is a battle. When the alarm rings, if you choose to get up. When it's cold and cozy, you step forward. Everything counts. Winter arc rewards those who finish it with transformation so powerful it seems unreal. But it punishes the weak with regret that never leaves. So this is how your day will look like. Wake up early, drink a liter of water, and then you can have your coffee. And then you will dedicate one for workout. Have a high protein breakfast after workout. Now you are set for the whole day. Then spend 3 to 4 hours for learning a skill you have done the most work in the half of the day. And if you have some school, then you can do it after coming from there. Just don't get engaged in mindless talk or activity. Get out of there as soon as possible and then complete isolation. Point number 5, the transformation. By the end of winter, something shifts. You gain something far greater. You gain a different level of physique with massive strength and an unbeatable mind. Because you fought cold, comfort, you mastered feelings. And listen, if you made it till the end of winter, and if you were addicted to your work, then now all the things you went through this winter will become your daily routine. Because now your brain don't want cheap pleasure, it wants to be great. If you can imagine your transformation just by seeing this video, you have a great vision. Most people lack vision. All great empires were built by those who believed in themselves. They saw something before the world did. So now it's your turn. You can do the same. What's your decision? Let me know in the comments.